Imagine a world where your retirement plan includes Bitcoin, the digital currency that's reshaping finance. At Davies Wealth Management, we're witnessing a surge in interest as Bitcoin becomes a key player in retirement strategies. This isn't just about diversifying portfolios, it's about tapping into a new realm of potential income. But remember, Bitcoin's allure comes with volatility and regulatory hurdles. Bitcoin's scarcity and peer to peer nature make it a unique asset, yet its price swings can be daunting. Experts suggest keeping Bitcoin to a modest 5% of your portfolio, balancing it with traditional investments like stocks and bonds. This way, you can enjoy potential growth without risking your nest egg. Consider strategies like dollar cost averaging to smooth out Bitcoin's price fluctuations and always stay informed about tax and regulatory changes. As the landscape evolves, having a financial advisor by your side can be invaluable. At Davies Wealth Management, we're here to guide you through the complexities of integrating Bitcoin into your retirement plan, ensuring a secure and prosperous future.